कौन लगुची कौन लगुची एटा केमती देखा एटा कौन
साइले तम गाड़ी रे क्रैश कर देला।
अच्छा
ए साइड गलानी ट्यूशन पक पिंक करे
हाउ जा So this was my Sandeep. I mean, this was my friend Sandeep. To get an exit from his home, I have to take the map. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, maybe it's the right way. Here the doggies are a little bit lazy kind of. I mean, not that aggressive. So there's the ITR College Road. Yeah, the right side you will. Oops. So right now it's almost 9, 8:40. अबे ये कौन हिला गॉड Yeah, road work. I mean drain work. I think it's going on. So it's the Khandagiri marg, I mean the way to Khandagiri, the straight road which will meet the Khandagiri traffic. Low tire pressure I think, because I have not ridden this bike for 4 days. Today we were actually come to do some query about a company. because we got the notification, I mean offer from the company through a third party provider like Indeed, not the Indeed actually, that's Found It, it's called. Then we replied, I mean I replied in that mail also. Sandeep also, he also had the reply, but they did not respond, and again they are pushing the same mail like have you gone through the previous mail. Then there was the number also. Okay, so we first confirm the location, which was Shahid Nagar, I forgot the lane name, near to the Lenovo service center, like 100 meters away. So this straight road has been closed, otherwise that was the shortest road to reach at Som Medical. Okay. So we'll be taking the right side, because yeah, you can go the left side, but left side has traffic. So, and I have to go to Jatni, so it's convenient to take the flyover. No idea why the street lights are, I mean the side lights are not working. I forgot to on my light. Whoa, what a surprise. row seat, man. I mean, look at the rust. With low tire pressure, I think I can go up to 125. I mean, roads are not empty. So use that much amount of throttle that you can handle. It can go. I can go up to 130 plus. Fog. सही है. No dance, nothing. Lazy gang. Pull in 6th gear to save some fuel, okay? Yeah. Otherwise you can pull in 5th gear. That's enough. Because that can go up to 140. But eventually it will go up to 135 or 136 in this road condition. And I have disabled the ABS, so it gives me confidence to stop the bike. I mean, ABS is good, but whoever is using non-ABS from the beginning, then they can control the bike, brake with engine braking. Yeah, it depends upon the who is riding and what's your riding skill. Okay, so otherwise ABS is good thing. This patch is always dark. I mean, there is no street lights even here. No idea why this patch has been given as the blank check. I mean, the blank road. Before that, there was side lights like street lights. Also here also, but why the patch has been empty? I have the Insta360 stick, okay, but to use that stick in rear side of the bike, I mean, it's always kind of scary. Because there is no guarantee the stick will be stick with all the other pieces, because it's kind of the flip zigzag manner. I mean, it can increase and reduce its size. So they are actually pipes, and those are some locking mechanism. And if the roads are fine, then it's okay, like smooth roads, and it will be fine. But we don't have that kind of road everywhere. Okay, that's the problem. I mean, there will be some little patch or pothole. Then that will be a different story for the mount.